So this video is on the intersection of two lines. So on the right here we have two graphs or two lines in the coordinate system here. So the red one is y plus x equals 5. It could also be written as y equals minus x plus 5. Yeah, so if I just rearrange that. The blue one is y minus x equals 1. So if I rearrange that, that would be x plus 1. Yeah, so the red one is y equals minus x plus 5, and the blue one is x plus 1. Okay, so we want to find the point where the two intersect. So now we can look at the graph, and this would be the point. And if we go down, we can see that this is happening when the x equals 2 and when the y equals 3. So if we try that and put these two into our equation, so y plus x equals 5. If I go 3 plus 2, yes, that equals 5. And y minus x equals 1. So if I say 3 minus 2 equals 1, so that is also true. So at this point where the two lines intersect, they both have the same x and the same y. And these x and y make both equations true. So let's see, if we didn't have a graph, how would we find the x and the y? So here is when we use simultaneous equations. Remember, for simultaneous equations, we have to eliminate a variable. And in our case, we're going to eliminate the x. So all we have to do is we have to add these two equations. Y plus y equals 2y, plus x minus x equals 0. So that is gone. And 5 plus 1 equals 6. I divide both sides by 2 and I get y equals 3, just as we have seen on the graph. I need to find the x now, so I put my 3 into the equation, into the first one. 3 plus x equals 5, and I rearrange and I get x equals 5 minus 3, x equals 2. So, and that would be again my point 2, 3, as seen on the graph over here. I want to show another way how to calculate this. So if we have two equations in the form y equals minus x plus 5 and y equals x plus 1. So remember, this y and this y is the same. So what we can do now at this stage, we just replace the y's with each other. So we just set the two equal. So yeah, so the y are the same, and now we just put in the two equations. So for the x plus 1 for one of the y's, and minus x plus 5 for the other y. And then now we just calculate that like normal algebra. I bring the x over. X plus x equals, and then I bring the 1 over, minus 1. So that equals 2, x equals 4, and then x equals 2. Just as the same as we calculated the different way and as we've seen on the graph. So I still need to find my y, obviously. So I just put the x into one of the equations. We say y equals 2 plus 1, so y equals 3. And again, I found the point 2, 3. Yeah, so we have several ways to find at which points two lines intersect. We can add the two equations and eliminate a variable and then find one of the variables and then the other one. Or we just set the two y's the same because they are the same at that point, and then find the other variable, or we can read it off the graph.